Hello friends, how are you? I am your Ayush and you are watching my channel Ayush Electric and Electronics. Today in this video I will show you how to put Bluetooth on old car stereos. So let's start. So guys, you can see I have removed the motherboard of this stereo. I have shown you the diagram on your mobile and desktop screen showing the Bluetooth connection, as you will see the connection. Okay. So let's turn on the stereo and see how the sound is on Bluetooth. FM tuner, USB, auxilizer.
Connected.
So friends, you can see this set is completely ready. So friends, please subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you so much.